In one of my recent videos where I talked about how you can create digital product and sell it to the ugly market, I promise you guys that I'm going to make a detailed video on how to automate this process and even list it out to affiliate marketplace for affiliate to promote for you, and you make money from your comfort zone, right? So after a lot of comments in the comment section of that video that I should make this video, that they are willing to watch this video, I should walk them through all of those things. So this is the video right here where I'm going to walk you through how you are going to list out your digital product to the marketplaces, and affiliate can get to promote this for you, and you make money for yourself at ease without even stress yourself. This is an automated process that you just set up once and you keep making you money over and over again on an everyday basis, as long as your product is keep showing up on the marketplace so that affiliate can see it and get to promote it to the right audience, and you make money. But now I'm going to walk you through every of the steps what you need to put in place to list out on Stakecut, because in this video we are going to talk about Stakecut first, and the next video, or in the video of this series about this digital product, is going to be the other website I talked about, which is Warrior Plus, right? If that being said, guys, let me jump on my screen and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know and how you are going to set everything up to list it out on Stakecut, right? Now right here, as you can see, this page that you are seeing right here, this is called the landing page and the sales page, right? This is where people get to read about these products that I'm going to sell, and they get to buy from here. Now this is exactly how your page is going to look like if you are building a funnel, and I've showed you how you can build something like this in a video on this channel, so I'm going to link that video in the description below, so check it out so you can build your own sales page for your digital product. Right now at this point, I'm going to scroll all the way down so I can show you how I build this. You can see right here I have my call to action, the access button, the testimonial, my proofs, my social proofs, as you can see. So this course is about how to create PayPal accounts in Nigeria or in any restricted country, and inside this course I share with you how you can create a PayPal in up to 20 different countries without any stress, without any hassle, without any limitation. Even I include a video on how you can set up a USA PayPal account right here in Nigeria with crypto enable. All is packed inside this course. So here is a disclaimer: this is not for fraudulent activities, and this is not for anything than educational purposes and easy access for freelancers in Nigeria or other African countries to receive payments seamlessly from international clients, right? So if you want to enroll, if you want to learn how to set up PayPal accounts, how you can turn it to business, you can enroll for this course. You will have the link in the description below as well. Just click on that link and you can get access to this course at a discount, right? Instead of this particular price, you can get it at a discount, and you can get to learn and scale up yourself. You can even do this as a side hustle business, and you make more money by setting it up for people, and you charge them any amount of your choice, which I'm going to still train you how to get about that, right? So now you are going to need the sales page, which is something like you can see right here. You can see all the way to the end. I even put everything together. The next thing you are going to do, you are going to build a JV page where you give access to every information people will need to sell these products. So I have my graphics, I've designed the graphics, and I've given out my testimonials and the ad copy, that's if they want to run ad, and even WhatsApp test. So I've packed everything up. So all of these pages, you can learn how to build this with the link in the description below. You will see it as funnel. You can click on that video, watch it. So it's going to guide you to how you are going to build your own funnel from one page to another. And the third one you are going to need is your access page. Now this can come in like your WhatsApp link. If you want them after they buy the products, or after they pay, or after any affiliates refer them, once they complete the payments, it should be redirected to your WhatsApp so you can give them what they buy. But as for me, I build up an access page, and as you can see right here, it said, yeah, you are in, thanks for your purchase. Now click here to get enrolled, and everything is just perfect. Now all of these things is what you are going to learn and how to put together in that video about funnel. But here in this video, we are going to go over to Stakecut right now, and we are going to list out these products for affiliates to promote and will make money from the comfort of our home. Now we are going to go over to stakecut.com. All right, stakecut.com. So coming over to stakecut.com right here, I'm going to click sign up. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up right here, and it's going to load up this page for you. All you need to do, click on sign up right here and follow this process to sign up your account. So for me, I'm just going to click sign in, and I'm going to log into my account right here. Now once you log into your dashboard, you are going to see a page like this. It's still loading up, so let's wait for it to load up. All right, so you can see a page like this. Your own is going to say affiliate right here. So but if you check this sidebar, you scroll all the way down, you are going to see become a vendor, and you just need to follow the whole process that is going to show you to become a vendor. So as for me, I'm just going to click on vendor dashboard right here. So this is how vendor dashboard look like, and you can see right here this amount I've been earning for this kind of sales, and you can see the number of affiliates I have and this number of my products that is particularly on this website at the moment. Now we are going to add one. This is how you launch it. You click on my products right here. Once you click on my products, you're going to see all of this right here, and you need to click on publish products. You are going to continue right here. So right here you are going to put in your product name. So for me, I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to have it right here. And for the product description, I have my description right here. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to paste it right here. Awesome. Now I'm going to take this up. Now for the products category, you are going to select the accurate category for your products. So for me, it's going to be finance. Let me look for that. Okay, I can just choose e-commerce, yes. And for the type, I'm going to choose digital products. And for the amount in dollar. Now, Stakecut dollar rate is 1,200 naira at this point. Now, what you will need to do is to come over to calculator. So if I come over to my calculator right here, I'm going to put the amount that I want to sell this course, which is 30,000 naira, then divided by 1,200, which is Stakecut's current price. That's $25. So this is what you are going to put in right here. On here, I'm going to put the commission percent I want. So this one, I want 45. And most times, I do advise you choose 50 because it can attract affiliates. But for me, I want to choose 45 right here for this particular program. And I'm going to choose automotive. Now, here is the product sales page link. And this is where you put your sales page. This is it right here. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to take it over to Stakecut right here. Now, you see, products or thank you page. So this is my access page. I'm going to copy this and paste it right here. All right, sorry. Okay, I'm going to paste this right here. And this webinar, I don't have a webinar, but the URL or JV page, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to have it right here. Then all you need to do at this point is to add the picture. Right here. So let's do that. Okay, I have this picture of the products. I have it right here. Okay, all right. So I'm going to go with this and I can have it there. Then next, once I hit next, it's going to take us to step 2. This is where we connect our sales page to our Stakecut payment gateway, right? So now you can see copy and paste pixel code on your sales page. Now this is how you do it. If you are using any types of page builder, as I've showed you in that video, this is how you are going to do this perfectly, right? I'm going to come back to my sales page. Then I'm just going to click edit with Elementor because I built this with Elementor, and they said I should have this as my into my sales page. So I'm just going to copy this. Then I'm going to come back to my page builder. So as you can see, it's still loading up. So once this load up right here, as you can see, so I'm going to add HTML. Then I'm going to paste it at the head of my page. So it's still loading. Let me click this. All right, so I'm going to drag and drop this at this top. All right, so now I'm going to paste my code here. All right, so I have Stakecut right there already, and I'm going to click publish. So once I publish that, I'm going to come back to Stakecut. Now here you select the type of button that you want. So for me, I always like buy now. So this looks cool. Then I'm going to copy this code right here, and I'm going to come back here. So every of these my button, I'm going to replace it with HTML to have that code in there. Now HTML, and I'm going to paste it, drop this right here. All right, that's exactly where I want it. Then I'm going to paste it. Now you can see this button is not aligned, so I'm going to click on advanced. I'm going to drop the margin and this. Then for the right margin, I'm going to do 100. And for the left margin, I'm going to do 100. So let me close this and see how it looks like. But it's still kind of weird. All right, I'm going to take it back. Let's say, yeah, let me do 150 or probably 200. Right, I'm going to do 200 here too. Okay, let me check this out. Now it's still not balanced in the middle. So now it's in the middle, as you can see right here. So click to buy, and then I'm just going to do exactly the same thing. So all I need to do is to copy this. I'm going to copy this, then I come over to wherever I have my button again right here. So what I'm going to do is to right click here and paste. So then I can now delete this. Then the next thing I'm going to do here is to do the same thing, paste. Then I delete this again, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to this place again, paste. Then I'm going to delete this. All right, so the last one, I'm going to delete this, and then I paste. Right, so I think, okay, I still have one more to go. I'm going to paste, then I'm going to delete this. All right, so this is how you have your button on each of the pages, on each of the sections that you want them to click to get access to this course. And now once this is done, you are going to click publish right here. And once that is published, then I'm going to just take it, come back to view page, so you can see it's live and not just on that builder. You can see this is my VSL loading up right here. So then pause that so you don't interrupt. Now I'm going to scroll all the way down to see everything working. You can see this has been connected to Stakecut. You can see right here. So everything is working perfectly. Everything is perfect now. And the next thing I'm going to do is to come back to Stakecut, and I'm going to click agree. I agree right here. Then I'm going to save. Then I'm going to continue. Now, once this is done, you can see it has been submitted, and they will review it. Once they review it, they are going to come back to you through your mail and give you a feedback about this particular product that you just listed. So if you even have any other products, that you want to list out, this is the exact process. All you need to do is to click on my products, get all your pages ready, then you click on publish products right here, and you start filling in the information required to launch your products. It's just something simple like that, right? So now I want you to go ahead and list out your first product on this particular website. Once you list it out, once they approve your product, you are going to see something like publish right here. So this publish is going to show up, and you can see right here they reject this, and I've not even been able to attend to it. And you can just click on publish once they approve it, and you are good to go. Right now, if that being said, guys, I want you to go out there now. The product that you created with that video, I want you to list it out on here, and let's make money together, and let's automate this process. Let affiliate sell for us while we make money doing another thing. And with that being said, guys, I want you to be a subscriber of this channel and be a member of my WhatsApp community, where we get to answer questions faster and even discuss more, share updates about what we can do to make money in the online space. And if you want to be part of the community, click the first link in the description below. And after that, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friend, and let's grow up together, because I want us to go to 2,000 subscribers on this channel in this month of June, right? If that being said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Until then, guys, stay at peace.